Alright guys, so this is the Ducky One Mecha Mini Frozen Llama Edition. As you guys know, it's been taking a while for everyone to get theirs. Took me around a month to get to my house from the day we ordered it, so that was pretty ridiculous. But it is finally here in its natural glory, and it looks better than ever. As you guys can see, it has 100 million actuation points with and I got mine with the brown switches, cherry mix brown switches. Alright, let's just get it open now. Alright, so on the inside, I've already taken the keyboard, keycap remover, and the keycaps out. But first, open the box. You've got a plastic seal and then a plastic cover for the keys so that they don't get dusty or dirty. Here's a warranty, and if you open this, this is where you should find the keycaps and the keycap remover, which is really nice. Alright, so here is a sound test for you. Cherry mix brown switches. Next, I've got all the features that come with the keyboard, and if you'll look to access these, you'll have to hold Alt and FN and then press T every time you want to change it. And when you get to this mode where it gives you the colors E, X, and C, the more you click one key, the more the color changes. So you can keep the color to whatever one you want. So that was the video. Thank you guys for watching. This was my review, in my opinion, on the Ducky One Mecha Mini Frozen Llama Edition. All in all, I think it's an amazing keyboard. Probably the best keyboard for me on the market. Definitely one of the best keyboards for a 60% model. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Road to 100 subscribers. Peace.